pag-uusap natin sa taong bayan, that I will read the persons who are now under quasi-judicial or judicial scrutiny. Sa Bureau of Customs, dismissed from the service na to, tinanggal na. Lumuntod si Macabando, grave misconduct. He was fired by the Ombudsman. Engineer Ramon Hernandez, gross neglect of duty, grave misconduct. He was dismissed by the Ombudsman. Raymond Cabigon, gross neglect of duty, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, dismissed by the Ombudsman. Hale Sinen Gamil, gross misconduct of duty, grave misconduct, dishonesty. Pati kasali dito si Raymond Cabigon, to him, pareho sila, dismissed from the service. Vincent Butch Gambua, grave misconduct, dismissed by the Ombudsman. Vincent Butch, Attorney Laicio Martinez, gross neglect of duty, grave misconduct, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, fired by the Ombudsman. Filomeno Salazar, gross neglect of duty, grave misconduct, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, dismissed by the Ombudsman. Vicente Torres, gross neglect of duty, grave misconduct, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, dismissed by the Ombudsman. Ganoon na ho karami ang in addition yung nauna na nawala, naunahan sila. Ito ang ano sa dismissed by the Ombudsman. Renly Tinana, grave misconduct, conduct grossly prejudicial to the service, fired by the Ombudsman. J.B. Raul U. Cometa, gross misconduct of duty, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, fired or being investigated by the Ombudsman. Agnes Fabian, Bureau of Customs, with a firm decision from DOF, dishonesty, dismissed from the service. Alan Pagkalinawan, grave misconduct, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, the decision by the Customs was affirmed by the Secretary of Finance. Ramon Aquilan, grave misconduct sa BOC, dismissed from the service. Lahat pa na to. Aristotle Tumala, grave misconduct. Itong iba, I think they are he either dismissed or still being investigated. Pero basahin ko na lang, Jennifer Lagman, grave misconduct, investigated by the Ombudsman. Wala na to. Tomas Alcid, grave misconduct, Ombudsman. Fahad Rashid Lukman, serious dishonesty, falsification of documents, pending ata ito sa Civil Service Commission or already dismissed. Suspended from service as penalty, Dante Baliva, grave misconduct, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. Sa facing charges sa Bureau of Customs. Maria Rosario Acosta, neglect of duty, still with the adjudicating body sa Bureau of Customs. Nobel Carandang, gross neglect of duty with the Bureau of Customs. Dolores Domingo, investigated by the Ombudsman. Wala naman siguro. As of today, ganun ang meron dito. Oh. Preventive suspension. PhilHealth, Jovita Aragona, grave misconduct, serious dishonesty, conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service, being investigated by the Ombudsman. Calixto Gabuya Jr., same, PhilHealth, being investigated by the Ombudsman. We can expect shortly the decision of these cases.